Welcome to my studio. Come on in.
Hello everybody, this is Julia Laird with Senior Susie Stamps, and I had a request, it's been several weeks ago now, to show you all my studio. So we're going to do a real quick studio tour today, and I hope I won't make you all seasick, but I'm standing in the doorway, and this used to be the master suite, and when we had the house repainted, we decided to move my studio over here so that I could have it all in one room instead of two. So let's start the tour, and I'll try to kind of take it slow. I have some family pieces. I don't have any fancy furniture. It's not expensive at all, but this was my daddy's map case, and I keep Christmas sentiment stamps in there. And on top are my die cutting machines, and then over here is my cutting area. And next to it, behind this curtain, behind curtain, is the paper racks that holds most of my 12 by 12 paper that I've gotten from Paper Wishes over the years. And down below, I have some smaller packs of paper, 6 by 6 and 8 by 8, that sort of thing. I have some magnetic die storage, and I also have a lot of die storage for individual stacking units of dies and that sort of thing. Let me pull one so y'all can see. I have them in here all organized by category so I can find things. This filing cabinet has envelopes and paper supplies in it. And whoopsie, this filing cabinet over here has all of my Stampin' Up! Colored cardstock that I've gotten over the years. Now I use these Sterilite 3-drawer stack storage units for all of my stamps because I really prefer not to pull my stamps off wood if I can possibly help it. They are arranged in categories, subject matter, and then I have them in alphabetical order, and I have just gone through and added all of the additional stamps that I had purchased in the last year and then reordered everything because I have large drawers over here on this side, and then over on this side I have smaller drawers. But it's those same 3-drawer stacks. This is just a smaller size. And if I try to file by quantity, and if they'll fit in a smaller drawer, they go over here. And let's see, this is all the Christmas stamps and embellishments here. And I need to do a major sort on those this year. I moved this studio last fall, just before I started Christmas cards, and it has been a bit of a challenge getting things organized. Now up above here, I have spice racks, my birthday sentiments that I have pulled out of sets. Let's see, there's washi tape in those cassette cases. There's 3 of them there. I have a large magazine collection that I've gotten from Stampington.com, and I have overflow paper here that some of it was from Michael's and some of it was other orders. It's just not the Paper Wishes hot off the press paper. I have some Big Z dies here and sequins collection in that little case down there. I store all my inks back up in here, and I have other sentiments in some of those racks that I got when Hobby Lobby discontinued their stamp square footage. You know, they decreased their footprint for our paper crafting significantly 2 or 3 years ago. I have all of my coloring supplies are all over in here, arranged by color, so I can reach and grab. Now you all have probably seen the Gramercy cart video, so there they stay. That was my mother's sewing cabinet, and I have my Misty and the Easy Foam and other just little supplies in there. When you see me doing a video, this is the spot where I am, and I have cards that need to be photographed this evening, but I have cleaned up the studio from my video that I made earlier today on scraps and restocked all my supplies except for card bases that I've got to get done before I start again. In this cabinet right here is very special to me. It was my grandmother's cabinet, and it holds a lot of things. I don't know that I can hold the phone and open the drawers at the same time, but my grandmother used to make all of her pies on top of that little cabinet. That was the only kitchen cabinet space that she had. And I'm going to tell you what, those pies were fabulous. I keep my recording equipment. I have spare lenses for my phone in here. And I keep extra envelopes that are not the A2 size, and all of my clear bags are in here. And all the way down. There's clear bags and clear boxes and that sort of thing. Well, let's see. This is my antique script typewriter. Here on the floor is a card making class that I'm going to teach on Tuesday evening. And in all of these cube bins, I just keep storage of this, that, and the rest of it. You can see these things that are overflowing here. Those are all kinds of manner of different little storage containers and what have you. I see some toilet paper rolls over there that I've been saving to make some kind of a little project out of. Let's see. This is colored paper storage of Astro Bright paper and easy foam, not easy foam, but fun foam and that sort of stuff. Over here in the corner is my husband's fly fishing tying desk. Whoopsie, I'm sorry. I got the camera done. Let me reverse that. My finger hit the wrong button. These are origami carts, which are absolutely fabulous, and they have all manner of embellishment storage. I have my gel plates in there and other art supplies that I just use periodically. There's another area over here in which I keep my punches. I have some empty storage down there, if you can believe it. Let's see. Over here I keep just an assortment of stuff and such. And I don't know, I think that maybe, oh, I have my ribbon rack. I got this ribbon rack years ago when I was having a little flower shop here at the house. And I kept it when I sold the flower shop because it's just so handy. I've got everything arranged by color. I have an empty typewriter stand here that's on wheels that I pull out for an extra little elbow room when I need it when I'm sitting down. I try to do all of my videos up here, but sometimes my back and legs act up and I do come over and sit. But anyway, that's my studio, and I hope if you have any questions about anything, you will ask them in the comments. I'm happy to share anything that I possibly can in the craft. And if you have any suggestions for videos that you might like, please be sure and ask, because I do this to share the craft, not for any monetary gain. So this is Julia, and I'm going to try to wave now. All right, have a great week, y'all. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.